Kings Buildings has just wrapped up a residential barndominium here in the state of Florida. That is Brooksville, Florida, along with a detached storage building. Come check these things out. We're proud of what we do, and we're happy to bring this customer a new barndominium. Man, we are so happy to see some of these things come together, you know, especially when the customer is sitting at our desk not too long ago. It seems like it was yesterday, and now we're sitting here on the front of their house that has just been finished up on our end. I'm sure that this place is going to be beautiful when they're done. So let's go take a little tour inside of this thing, kind of give you guys some rundowns of what it takes to get it, what they're all about. All right, we're inside the 30 by 30 garage here. That's a little oversized to what you traditionally see at some residences. So nice high ceilings. We went insulated on this one as well. We're gonna step inside the 800 square foot living, and that is a 36 by 50 in total on a 12-foot leg. And let's go over a little bit of the details here. Really important. Obviously, everybody asks about wind rating and how we get there. And our buildings here are wind rated at 180 miles an hour, as this one sits right here. As you can see, it's all double leg, double base rail, fully welded steel. You got welded trusses. So when the customer gets done, this will be a fully finished out, high vaulted ceiling area with all their bedrooms and everything tucked away here. Of course, their floor plan was put together by themselves, and then an engineer that we referred to develop it and create that plan for them. One day this will be where they're living. Right now for Kings Buildings, we'd like to just share what we do, and this is exactly what that is. We put a porch off the front, porch off the back here. Let's take a look outside. Nice little view here looking out. This is gonna be what they call their front porch. And I guess we don't get to see it all finished up and dolled up with all the sod and everything, but of course, if you guys can envision a fully finished landscape piece, this building's gonna fit right in. They went with a barn red. We put a lifetime screw on there. Those are all color match screws. When we were out here and putting all the framing up, their window crew came in and installed these, and then our guys put the metals on, and then we trimmed around it. And at the end of the day, now that's completed. Let's check out their back porch here. Now this is a lean-to. We talk about lean-tos a lot. We do a lot on garages, but on the barndominiums, this is gonna be the back porch. And then we provide these big frame outs, which opens up that wall there. We finished it on the outside. These guys will probably finish it up underneath here, put some can lighting. I don't know if they got any room for a pool, but though I'm sure they'll landscape and get it pretty nice back here. Guys, let's go take a look at the detached storage building built out of the same tubing. That's 2.5-inch square tubing. Like most of our videos out there in the buildings that we have. This one's set up a little bit different. So we have lean-tos off the left and the right that are fully enclosed, 30 wide in the center, 50 foot deep. How you guys utilize this thing is totally up to you. All right guys, so we're on the back side of the building. We went through and through garage doors. Those are 10 wide, 8 foot tall garage doors. That'll give him plenty of breeze going through each one of those lean-tos, along with being able to pull equipment straight through. All right, so the process of a barndominium, like starting out, of course, there's always a bunch of questions. Thankfully, over the last few years, we've been able to answer a lot of your questions that you guys have, kind of lead you in the right direction, as we try to say, because we are here for the show. We're here to help design, but also we want you to make it through that process of building your barndominium. But at the end of the day, it went super seamlessly. Everything that was put together by our team and his team, they mesh really well, so we kind of know how to work with other contractors as well. And maybe you're a contractor watching this video and you need a barndominium shell provider, and that's us here at Kings Building. So we'll work directly with contractors. As a homeowner, you can do an owner-builder project as well. These buildings are designed great for that. Of course, it's a lot on you guys at some points, but again, we're here to help and direct as much as we possibly can and get you guys through the process and get one of these on your piece of property legit. It's not a barn, it's not a garage, it is a residential barndominium.